Hello children. Once again welcome back to the English class. Students, in previous videos we have discussed about the second lesson exercise. In last video we have discussed language development activity. In last video we have discussed about the second lesson language development activity. Today, let us discuss about the writing skill of second lesson. Today, let's discuss about the second lesson writing skill. Look at the first question. Read the poem given below. Complete the exercise. What is this question meaning? What is the meaning of this question? First we have to read the poem. Then by the help of this poem we have to complete the exercise. So let's start to read the poem. Yes, little drops of water. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Yes, listen here. Once again, I'll repeat this stanza. Little drops of water. Then little grains. Grains means a harvested seeds of various grass food crops. Then sand. Sand means, as you all know, it is a substance and it looks like a powder. Little drops of water and little grains of sand makes the mighty ocean. Mighty means powerful ocean. This little drops of water and little grains of sand making the powerful ocean and as well as pleasant land also. Pleasant means attractive. Then come to the second stanza. Little words of love. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness and little deeds of kindness. Deeds means good. Make the earth an Eden. Make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Look at here. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness. Deeds means good. This both make the earth as a garden like the heaven above. Heaven. Heaven means what? The place where God lies. For that we tell that heaven. Yes. Have you understood, children? Once again, we will repeat this poem. Little drops of water, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Okay, let's come to the exercise. Let's come to the exercise. Yes, what they have given here. Look at here. Pick out the words from the poem that come before or after the words given below. Write the words. What they have told here. Pick out the words from the poem. What we have to do? We have to pick it out the words from the poem. Which words we have to pick it? We have to pick out whatever the word they have given below here. By seeing that word, we have to pick out before or after words. Then we have to fill it. Let's see first one. Mighty. They have given here mighty. Which word is there after the mighty in that poem?
Ocean.
Which word is there?
Ocean.
Yes. Let's come to the second one. Dash deeds. Before that, deeds. Which word they have mentioned in the poem?
Little.
Which word it is?
Little.
Yes, it is little deeds. Next one. Dash land. Before the land, which word is there in the poem?
Pleasant.
Yes, pleasant land. Next one, heaven. After the heaven, which word they have mentioned in the poem?
Above.
Yes, after the heaven, they have given above. Yes, let's come to the second question. Match the words in column A with the words in column B that mean the same in the poem. In this question, what we have to do? Look at here. They have given column A, then column B. And even answer column is there. Let it be. Don't think about that answer column now. Yes, look at here. In column A, they have given 4 words. Which words? Eden, water, sand, land. In column B, they have given land, kindness, heaven, ocean. So what we have to do now? We have to match Eden to the heaven. We have to match Eden to the heaven. Then we get the answer heaven. After matching, we got the answer heaven. Next, water. Water, we are going to match it to the ocean. Then we got the answer ocean. Sand. Then this sand we have to match it to the land. So then love. Love we are going to match it to the kindness. After matching this, we will get these all answers. Yes. Let's come to the question number 3. Answer the following questions. Come to the question number 3. Answer the following questions. Let's see the first one question. What makes the mighty ocean? What makes the mighty ocean? I told you no in that poem. Yes, look at the answer here. Little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. Little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. Let's see the question number 2. What makes the pleasant land? What makes the pleasant land? Look at the answer. Little grains of sand makes the pleasant land. Little grains of sand makes the pleasant land. Let's see the third question. What makes the earth Eden? What makes the earth Eden? Answer. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness makes the earth an Eden. What is the answer? little words of love and little deeds of kindness makes the earth an Eden. Yes, children, today we have completed writing skill of second lesson. And in next class, we are going to discuss about the grammar part of second lesson. And you all have to write this everything in your classwork neatly. Okay, children, I'll send you the PDF. By seeing that PDF, you all have to write all the exercise neatly in your classwork. In next video, we will start the grammar part of second lesson. Until then, take care. Thank you.